Threads and Twitter are both social media platforms that allow users to share short messages with their followers. However, there are some key differences between the two platforms. Character limit. Threads has a character limit of 500, while Twitter's character limit is 280. This means that you can share longer threads on Threads than you can tweets on Twitter. Number 2, privacy. Threads is a more private platform than Twitter. Your threads are only visible to the people you choose to follow, while your tweets are visible to anyone who follows you or searches for your username. Features. Threads include some features that are not available on Twitter, such as the ability to see who has read your threads, and the ability to share your threads to your Instagram stories. Number 4, integration. Threads is integrated with Instagram, so you can use your Instagram account to sign up for Threads, and you can share your threads to your Instagram stories. Twitter, on the other hand, is a standalone platform. Number 5, video timing. Threads allows you to upload videos up to 5 minutes in length, whereas on Twitter, unverified accounts can upload videos up to a maximum length of only 2 minutes and 20 seconds. How to delete an account. On Twitter, you can directly delete your account. But to delete your Threads account, you need to first delete your linked Instagram account. Ultimately, the best platform for you will depend on your needs and preferences. If you want to share longer messages and have more privacy, then Threads may be a better option for you. If you want to be able to message other users and have access to a wider audience, then Twitter may be a better choice. Thanks for watching.